Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Nay plus M. Name. Drop plus pair. Drop pair. Name dropper. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
What's that first step? It's a rough one. Thank you, Gene. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome once again to our program. Hang on. You know, one of the great joys of doing Classic Concentration here in beautiful downtown Burbank on Stage 3 at NBC is the fact that because Johnny Carson and The Tonight Show taped just across the hall, we get to rub shoulders with some of the biggest names in show business. And in the world of music, and blues in particular, there is no bigger name than this man. He recently got his star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and he's in our studio to put in a brief appearance. Join me in welcoming the great B.B. King.
And we're delighted to have you here with us.
Thank you. Now, you can really make my day, B.B., if you tell me that you're a fan of Classic Concentration. You get to perform at night in clubs, right?
Yes, but I usually tape your show, and when I come home to the, hotel tonight, then I watch it.
You do?
Yes.
Are you good at solving the puzzles?
No.
You're not? Well, congratulations again on your marvelous career and on delighting so many millions of people around the world. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you very much.
Now I'm going to go over here and introduce our players. Thanks, Phoebe. Yes, indeed, and he is a great musician. Ladies and gentlemen, our returning contestant on my right, this lovely lady, is Nikki Mayfield. Let's welcome her back. She joined us on the last program, didn't do too well, lost a game, and she's back to try it again today against this man. His name is Rick Hall. He did better on the last show. He won the game at over $6,000. Great. You ready?
Very ready.
Okay, let's go to work. Take a look over here. Is this something great for your home or what?
Ride a burro into the sunset as you and a friend visit one of our country's most majestic settings, the Grand Canyon. We'll fly you and your guests from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, where SkyWest Airlines' courteous crew will fly you to St. George, Utah. In St. George, you pick up your Avis 7-day car rental from their fine selection of cars and drive to Grand Canyon Lodge on the undiscovered, incredibly romantic side of the canyon for 3 nights of sightseeing and mule rides. Then on to the natural wonder of the monolith at Zion Lodge for 3 nights. Accommodations furnished by TW Recreational Services Incorporated. Alex.
Thank you, Gene. And I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, if I misled you when I said this is something great for your home. I was looking in the corner of the studio where we have a beautiful spa on display. I assume that'll be coming up in our next game. I did not see the ass closer to me over here in the home base area, and the pack on it, and Marjorie next to the jackass, and I didn't know we were going to be talking about a great holiday, but for Rick and Nikki, we'll show you where you can find that holiday on our board. It's at number 1, Tour the Grand Canyon. All right, let's go to work, and Nikki, you get to pick first because you didn't win the last game.
Oh, that sounds fair. Okay, number 13, please. Look for the match under number 22.
Nope, red take. Rick, over to you.
Number 20, please.
His and her diamond watches.
And a wild card under number 4, please.
Number 4, print and display calculator. Very practical little gadget. Nikki, over to you. No match for him.
I'd like to see what's behind number 10, please.
Red take.
And number 22.
There's a match. Right off the bat for the young lady. There you go. He has no prizes to grab, so we'll open these 2 panels for you. That's that Grand Canyon ass.
Yeah.
Little jackass we were talking about a while ago. Go again.
Number 12, please.
Complete kitchen. Pick again.
Number 13.
Right next door, huh? Yeah. Yes.
Are you always this good with your intuition?
Doing well. Let's open it up. Go again.
Number 8, please. And
10 speed bikes for 2.
Number 18, please.
18? No limited edition artwork, so we don't have a match there, and that means we go back to Rick.
Still need some wild cards and looking for a trip. Number 8, please.
10 speed bikes for 2.
Number 18.
Limited edition artworks. You just selected the same 2
Blue
numbers
sky.
as Nikki.
All right, I'd like to see what's behind number 16, please.
16 is a wild card. That means good news for you. Nothing bad can happen.
I'm going to go for the trip. I want to ride those mules.
All right.
Number 1.
Number 1 for touring the Grand Canyon. The other tour of the Grand Canyon is at number 11, and that means that 3 pieces are opening up in that first column. Nikki, let's take a look together. Select.
Number 19, please.
Green take.
Number 25, please.
Chinese porcelain lamps. No match. Rick.
Still looking for wild cards under number 5, please.
Home security system.
And haven't seen yet. The corner under number 21, please.
Print and display calculator. Nikki, back to you.
Number 20, please.
His and her diamond watches.
Number 4, please.
Print display calculator. No match. Rick.
21. And for the match under number 4.
I was about to say, you're having a rough time today getting on track, but finally you come through, you make the match, and vapor lock, yes indeed. But you have control of this board right now, and so you can solve the puzzle.
No guess.
Try it again.
Number 2, please.
His and her diamond watches.
And the match under number 20.
Right. Nikki, look at it this way. He's getting some prizes up there, and you've got that red take, so there's going to be something good to grab at.
Gotta get the
But
trip
for the
last.
moment, Rick gets a chance to win the game. Go again.
Number 19.
Green take.
Number 23.
Wild card, so the green take will be yours. The other one, how helpful will it be at number 9? We'll find out in a second. She's got the Grand Canyon Tour and the complete kitchen. Both prizes are terrific. It's still relatively early in the
I think
game.
I'd like the Grand Canyon Tour, please.
All right. It's going over to Rick Hall's side, and we are opening up these 3 panels for his benefit. Pick again.
Can't seem to get this one. Number 25, please.
There's still 1 wild card up there as you uncover some Chinese porcelain lamps.
Number 7, please.
Chinese porcelain lamps again.
Staying alive.
You are staying alive. Let's see if it pays off this time. Go again.
Need to see another piece. Number 17, please.
Home security system.
And the match under number 5.
Right. Nikki, you hang in there because if you get your chance, it's going to be very close to having an opportunity with the board completely revealed. Rick, can you solve it right now? Select again.
Number 3.
Limited edition artwork.
And the match under number 15.
No. A mistake that's going to help Nikki, I feel. Let's see if it works out that way.
Number 8, please.
10 speed bikes for 2.
Number 14, please.
Wild card.
I didn't think there were any more in there.
Yeah, there's 1. That's it.
Okay.
The other 10 speed bikes for 2 at number 24. So 3 more panels opening up, and then we'll have just 2 prizes left on the board. But right now, see if you can solve it. You need to in order to stay alive on our show. And Nikki, before you select again, I forgot to ask you if you wanted to use the take a moment ago. You can do it now.
Okay. We'll take the trip back.
The Grand Canyon Tour? All right, put it back on your side. And all you have to do now, of course, is make 1 match, and the last one will match automatically. Pick a number.
Number 18, please.
Well, that's the limited edition artwork.
Number 15, please.
Oh, Nikki! Ricky!
Let's see if I can go. 3, please.
Limited edition artwork.
And number 18, please.
Limited edition artwork. That was the combination that worked. Put the prize up there, open those 2 doors, and then we'll show them the picnic basket at 6 and 15. And when we open these 2 pieces, Rick, solve this puzzle.
It has possibilities.
Looks like it to me. It has possibilities. Certainly for Rick Hall, it does. Boy, you got a second life on that one. Poor Vicky picked the wrong combination. Well, you get to explain the puzzle.
Here's the ball and the bat, a hit, plus the H, plus the ass. It has paws on the kitten here, passe, bills on the duck, and the pair of T's. It has possibilities.
Well done. Boy, that was a seesaw battle. I thought for sure that Nikki was going to take it from me, but that's 2 strikes against you, Nikki. And I'm sorry about that. Gosh, I would have loved to have seen you win a game.
being here today.
Well, that's nice. Thank you for that, and good luck to you, Nikki. Take care. All right, Rick. Let's hear about your prizes.
A picnic basket, a print display calculator, and limited edition artwork. Martin Lawrence Gallery's beautiful limited edition serograph, Hunt Crossing by Mark King. It's numbered and hand signed by the artist, furnished by Martin Lawrence Galleries, and Chinese porcelain lamps. Part of Miller Imports Armani designer table lamp collection, handcrafted in Italy, marble platform on wooden base, and handmade silk shades, quality and elegance, furnished by Miller Import, and a home security system. Dynamark Security Centers features its portable wireless Tribune total security system that protects your family 24 hours per day from fire intrusion and medical alert. Furnished by Dynamark Security Centers, and his and her diamond watches. Jules Jurgensen's his and her Classic Series diamond dial watches, elegantly styled. His with 20 genuine diamonds, hers with 10. The Classic Series furnished by Jules Jurgensen. And Jim, you have a prize package worth $5,419.
Big win for you. Big win, Jim. We're going to take a break. When we come back, we'll see if you can win a brand new car.
Voting is open.
Rick figures he's going to need the extra 5 seconds today. We'll find out right now. 15 numbered squares, of course, hiding all of those beautiful automobiles for you. And we've added 5 seconds to base time on the clock. So you're operating with a full 40. Good luck. Off you go.
3, 6,
No.
9, 12,
No.
15, 1,
No.
2, 12,
No.
9, 2,
Right.
7, 15,
Right.
8, 10,
No.
11, 1,
No.
4, 12,
Correct.
13, 5,
Yes.
14, 1,
Yep.
3, 8.
We didn't make it. You were just two matches shy, but that's all right. You know that you've won in your 2 games $11,683, and that's really good going. You've got some cash and a lot of beautiful prizes, and you are alive to play again when we come back. See how quickly we can get into our second game today. I'll begin by introducing our newcomer. Her name is Michelle Marlowe. Hiya, Michelle.
Nice to meet
Welcome
you.
aboard.
Thank
You're eager to play, aren't you?
Definitely. I'm ready to get into the game.
Remember at the beginning of the program, I said that I had noticed a beautiful prize in the corner? Lovely
Yes.
spa. Take a look. It's one of the prizes you're competing for in this game.
Sonoma Spa's freestyle portable acrylic spa fits through most doorways, is fully self-contained with built-in heater, filter, and pump. Thermal cover included, furnished by Sonoma Spas. Alex.
This is a very valuable game. We'll show you where you can find the spa. That's an expensive prize at number 2. We've got $500 in the cash pot. We have a holiday in Costa Rica. And, of course, we have the 5-second bonus for the car round. And you get to go first, Michelle.
Okay, I'm ready. Let's start with number 7.
Lucky 7 is a red take.
Is the match to the red take under number 4?
Let's look. No, we've got a slide projector. Rick Hall.
Let's look under number 9, if we can see what's under there. Slide projector. And the match under number 4, please.
That was quick. Thanks to Michelle's help in revealing it. 2 pieces opening up for Rick Hall.
Not much help.
Select again, then.
Number 15, please.
Stereo system.
I could use one of those. Number 19, please.
His and her sportswear. Michelle, over to you.
Okay, I'd really like to win the stereo. Is the match to the stereo under 17?
No, but a wild card is
All
there.
right.
Now, you've got the spa that you have seen. We've got a holiday in Costa Rica.
Right. Well, the one thing my husband told me when I came on the show was to win a stereo, so I better go for number 15.
Really? All right. Well, isn't that great? That's super. When you come to a program and you want to win a particular prize, and then you have a chance to do that, it's marvelous.
Great.
The other stereo system is right next to the wild card at number 18. Let's
Okay.
open those 3 panels for our challenger. Can you do anything with this, Michelle?
No, I don't think so.
All right. You'll make another selection then.
How about number 3?
Electric guitar.
We haven't seen that yet. What's under number 25?
5 bonus car seconds. Rick Hall, over to you.
Number 21, please.
Costa Rica Paradise.
Costa
That'd
Rica.
do. Number 6, please.
Wild card, yes. The other Costa Rica vacation is right above the wild card, so everything is opening up in that first column, all 3 panels. Let's see what happens.
Jack and the Beanstalk.
Is it Jack and the Beanstalk? No, it is not. Go again.
Number 12, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
Number 25.
Oh, gosh.
25 for the bonus car seconds. Rick wants to get back to that winner's circle.
I guess he does.
Just a little bit more time. Open these 2 panels for him.
Jack and Jill.
Is it Jack and Jill? No. Pick again.
Number 19.
His and her
We've seen
sportswear.
that. Number 22, please.
Spa. No match for you. Michelle, here's your chance.
Great. Number 2
Number 2 for the spa.
and number 22 for the match.
22 is right. Now, your husband wanted you to win a stereo. What did you want to win?
I wouldn't mind a spa. I love sitting in the hot tub. That'd
All
be
right.
great.
Well, let's see if you can win it right now by solving
Okay.
this puzzle. Go again. Oh, all right. Hands on your signaling buttons. You know the drill. We'll start revealing 1 square at a time. You ring in when you think you can solve it. But be sure you can solve it, because if you take too long, we'll have to buzz on you.
Okay.
Number 3. Oh, Michelle's in there first.
Is it Jack in the Box?
Is it Jack in the Box?
Yeah.
All right, Michelle. Let's go to the board. Rick helped you out, I believe, with all those jacks.
Rick really helped me out. He guessed Jack, and so with the Jack, I saw the hen down here for Jack in, and we could see a little bit of the, and I had to guess this was box. I couldn't think of Jack in whatever else, so Jack in the Box is the
Yeah, there aren't
puzzle.
too many other jacks in things either. Jack in the Beat. Rick, we've got to say goodbye. You've got 2 strikes against you, but I'll tell you, you're going away. Oh, no, you've only got the 1. I'm sorry.
Get me out of there too quick.
I'm trying to get rid of you too quickly. Yes, indeed. Well, we'll say goodbye for just a little bit, and we'll see you in the next game.
Okay.
Meanwhile, we'll keep Michelle here, and we'll hear about her prize.
All right.
Go, Gene.
A stereo system. Sharp's portable stereo component system with compact disc player, single auto reverse double cassette deck, detachable speakers and remote control, furnished by Sharp. And, of course, the relaxing spa. Now, Michelle, you only won 2 prizes. But the total value of those 2 prizes is $6,057.
You got what your husband wanted, and you got a prize that you both of you can enjoy. And you're going to get a chance to play for a brand new car after this commercial break.
Sounds great.
Michelle, it couldn't have worked out any better for you. You got 2 prizes you really wanted, and now you have a chance to win one of these
Great.
cars. 15
Okay.
numbered squares, base time for you on the clock, 35 seconds.
Okay.
You're going to need a little bit of luck, but
Okay.
it can happen. Off you go.
1, 3,
No,
4, 6,
no,
7, 6,
no,
9, 4,
no,
3, 9,
no.
7, 3,
Yes,
1, 9,
yes,
10, 12,
yes,
13, 15,
no.
4, 15,
Right,
2, 5,
no,
8, 11,
no.
6, 11,
Yep.
14.
You started very slowly. You faltered a lot at the beginning, but then you made up for it.
I was
You were
a little
doing
nervous at first.
Yeah,
so.
but then you started doing really well. But meanwhile, you've got over $6,000 in
Great.
those 2 prizes, and you're going to play again.
Great.
We're going to take a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive a Princess House Products gift certificate for beautiful hand-blown and lead crystal, elegant giftware, cookware, and decorative accessories furnished by Princess House. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
So long, everyone.
Speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.